Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So glad you could join me today. We are making a Slimline card today using our brand new box of the month for July. And the two stamps that come in this box are absolutely adorable. One is called Insect Cuties and the other one is called Buzzy Bees. Now this kit was totally designed by our designer Teresa Russell. She did an awesome job on this box. You will not be disappointed. So I'm using the beautiful papers that come in this box. They are just amazing, and I love that Slimline paper pad. That paper really looks like it's embossed. It's a faux embossed watercolor paper, but it looks so real. So you can pick up this box at Not Too Shabby. I'll have the link in the description box for you so you can find it easily. Now there's two options when purchasing the box. You can either purchase it as a one-time purchase or you can sign up for the monthly club. So all you have to do for that is choose monthly for your frequency, and that will guarantee a box every month until you cancel. Plus there's special perks if you join the club. I do send a coupon code with your box for the month, and every month it'll be different. And on your 6-month anniversary, you will be getting a full 4x6 stamp set. So we are using the Copic markers today. I'm using Y17 for my darkest, then I'm using Y15 for my mid-tone, and then Y11 for my highlight color. I also snuck in there, I think it's Y09. So I'm using 4 different colors. You can definitely get away with just using the 3. So I'm making little lines, little flick marks, because I want these bees to look a little fuzzy. The way the artist drew it, it looks like these are supposed to be like fuzzy bees, bumblebees. I'm going to use some bluish green colors for his wings. So I'm just outlining the little veins in the wings with BG13, and then I'm going to go in with BG11 to kind of soften that out and go around the edge of the wings just to give it some color. And I'm also using BG10 for my lightest color. I decided to color his crown in a green color. I thought that would match the papers. So I used YG25, YG23, and YG11 for my lightest color. And I'll just color in that little strip on the crown in a pink color. That way it matches the paper pads. And for his little feet, I could have gone either way. I could have colored it yellow or black. So I think I decided to color his feet black. So what I'm going to do is play some music so you can watch the rest of the coloring, and then I'll meet you on the other side. Before we put our card together, I want to show you the beautiful paper pad and the stamp set that we're going to be using today. So this is called Buzzy Bees, designed by Teresa Russell. This comes in our July box of the month, and it is so cute. These bees are so cute. This one's my favorite. He looks like he's just had enough. He's just pooped. It's so cute. So I colored up my images here, and this paper pad, I want to use this one. There's 3 paper pads that come in the kit this month, and they are gorgeous. And we've got the Busy Bees, and look at these beautiful patterns. Look at the little bees on there. On the other side, we've got daisies and bees. So you get 4 of each design, so no need to hoard your papers. We've got 4 sheets, so you can save some for later, use some now. Then we've got the honeycomb on white, and we've got a yellow background here with the daisies, this beautiful purple little honey pot with the bees, and then we've got it on white. So hexagon design here, kind of like polka dots. And then a really pretty floral on the back. Some daisies on white. And then we've got some honey dripping. The honeycomb background, little pot of honey and the little bees. And then we've got some honeycomb on a brown background. So let's see, which paper do I want to use? So here are my images. They are just so cute. And then I did cut this out. Be wonderful. I really, really like this one. I actually colored these to match the other paper pad, I think. Let me pull that one out. And then this is the Slimline paper pad. Look at that. It's like faux embossing. All these different colors. It's so pretty. This is the other card that I created. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So this is the other stamp set. And then here's the other paper pad. So this is what I did color to kind of match these florals. So maybe I'll use this one because to bring in these pinks and greens. These are beautiful. Look at how cute. That's really, really pretty. Maybe I'll use those 2 together. Okay, so I cut a bunch of strips out. I'm going to connect them together with washi tape, and then we're going to run it through my Big Shot and cut out the shape. I'm just going to tape this all together, and actually this is going to look pretty cool. This is actually the back. And I tape it all together so I don't have to piece it back later on. So my panel I had to cut a little bit shorter. I cut it on the wrong side. I really wanted these colors to be showing, so I just cut it down from a smaller panel. Now, since my panel is smaller, I was thinking about putting a soft color behind there. And this is from the Faux Embossed Watercolor Slimline paper pad. Just look how gorgeous this is. I might want to use that color. There's designs on both sides. They're both embossed. I just think this looks so cool. So So what do you think, this color pink or this one? I think I'm leaning towards the lighter peach color. And then we've got, that one's more of an orangey peach. I think I like this side better. So this will be a panel. Okay, so I'm going to glue that down together, and now I want a white card base just to bring in the white outline from my stamped images and my sentiment, so it'll tie it all together. So my paper measures 7 by 8.5, scored at 3.5. So this is going to give me a nice size for my panel here with a nice white border. So that's just going to go in the center. I'm going to use some liquid adhesive for this. And we're going to center that. Got it a little crooked. Just a little crooked. I have to reapply my glue. I got my handy magnets here. I love using this Wendy Vecchi Make Art mat. It's a metal mat, so I love using these magnets to hold down my card so it dries flat. I just staggered my bees going all the way down the card with the cute little one that was pooped at the bottom, added my little sentiment there, and I just love how this card turned out. It's so cute. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys loved this month's box. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!